హాయ్ టు ఎవరివన్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఈవీఎస్ అవర్ వరల్డ్ ఇంట్ నెంబర్ 10 గేమ్స్ అండ్ రిక్రియేషన్ వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి 9 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్స్, అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్ 10 వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి టాపిక్స్ గురించి మనం ఈరోజు వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తుంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. 3, 4, 5 తరగతుల అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులకి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్షీట్స్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ కోసము, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించిన కంటెంట్ ఉన్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, అట్లాగే టీచర్సు స్టూడెంట్స్కి యూజ్ఫుల్ అయినటువంటి ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి అన్ని రకాల డే టు డే వచ్చే అన్ని టాపిక్స్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అట్లాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం వర్క్షీట్ 1లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. గ్లోజరీ. ఫస్ట్ వన్, రిక్రియేషన్, ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ ఆర్ ఫన్, డొమెస్టిక్ వర్క్ డన్ అట్ హోమ్, పర్చేస్, టు బై, ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ మీన్స్ మెనీ టైమ్స్, ఫేవరెట్ లైక్ వెరీ మచ్. వర్క్షీట్ 1, కాన్సెప్ట్, rhyme for introduction means different types of games. By heart the rhyme. Rewrite the following words. First one, recreation, indoor games, rhyme, games, sports. Answer the following questions. First one, what is recreation? An activity we do for pleasure or to get our body relaxed is called recreation. Which game do you like most? I like cricket. Name the games you play with your friends. Chess, caroms, kho-kho, kabaddi, etc. Worksheet number 2, concept, indoor, outdoor games. Rewrite the following words. First one, indoor games, outdoor games, cricket, chess, carom, local games, ludo. Match the following. First one, cricket, played with bat and ball. Chess, black and white squares. Carom, indoor game. Local games, Nelabanda. Ludo, dice. Number 3, fill in the blanks. First one, we play games for pleasure and recreation. An example for indoor games is chess, caroms. Cricket is a outdoor game. To play cricket, we need 11 members for each side. Join the dots, color the picture, and write the names of the following. Student activity. Worksheet number 3, concept, rhyme for introduction, different types of games. Rewrite the following words. Kabaddi, volleyball, kho-kho, snakes and ladders, dancing, swimming, cycling, basketball, tennis, skipping. Circle the odd one. In each set of words, one has been done for you. Chess, carom, snake and ladders are indoor games. Kabaddi outdoor game. Yedu penkulata. Next, Tukkudu Billa cricket. And the odd one is Koti Kommachi, volleyball, kho-kho, kabaddi. Here, Karra Billa is a local game. Write the games you like to play. Chess, caroms, cricket, basketball, tennis. Write some indoor games. They are chess, caroms, అష్టాచమ్మ, వామన గుంటలు, డూడో బాల్, బిజినెస్, చైనీస్ చెక్కర్. Worksheet number 4, concept, local games and material. Rewrite the following words. First one, village, local games, frequent, favorite, require. Number 2, select and write the suitable words with the help of the pictures in the blanks. First one, Karra Billa. The second one, Tukkudu Billa. Third one, Yedu Penkulata. And the last one, బొంగరమాట. Worksheet number 5. Concept, local games and material. Rewrite the following words. First one, material, video games, gadget, obesity, bat, ball, net. Write the materials needed for Edu Penkulata. We need ball and 7 tiles. Fill in the blanks. First one, we play cricket, tennis and volleyball with the ball. Nela Banda is a local game. Stumps are used in cricket game. Make a model of tip cat with locally available materials. Student activity. List out the local games. Local games are Edu Penkulata, Tokkudi Billa, Karra Billa, Nela Banda, Vamana Guntalu, Bangarmata. Worksheet number 6. Concept, sports for all. Uses of games. Read the following words. Encourage, football, healthy, equal, capable, world. Second one, mind map. Uses of sports and games. We are playing sports and games for pleasure and recreation. To be fit means physical fitness, good health and team spirit. Let's draw the diagram of chessboard. Student activity. Choose the correct answers. First one, this is not an outdoor game. Among all these, chess is not an outdoor game. Playing games and sports is for recreation. Option B, games played in the open fields. Open fields are called as outdoor games. Means option B, name any one local game. Among these, Karrabilla is a local game. We use this while watching TV. Remote control. Option C. Worksheet number 7. Concept, game rules for playing kabaddi. Rewrite the following words. First one, cooperation, qualities, concentration, skills, accepting, success, team spirit, victory, participation, rules, appreciate, refresh. Number 2, let's draw the diagram of kabaddi court. Student activity. Mind map. Game rules for kabaddi. Game rules of kabaddi. Minimum 10 players, maximum 12 players. 1 point for each member made of. Bonus points available. Continue chanting. Worksheet number 8. Concept, impact, influence of online games and sports for users of games. Rewrite the following words. First one, online games, player, playing, damage. Online games, mind mapping. They are Candy Crush, Star Climber, Log Run, Cricket. Fill in the blanks. Playing games improves fitness and health. Recreation relaxes our mind. Playing games and sports gives health and fitness to the body. All games have rules that must be followed by the players. Games we play. Local games are Karrabilla, Edu Penkulata. Outdoor games, cricket, basketball. Indoor games, chess, table tennis. Worksheet number 9. Concept, improve your learning. Conceptual understanding. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write 5 outdoor games you like to play. They are cricket, football, tennis, tennis-court, basketball are the outdoor games which I like to play. Question number 2. Write the rules of any game you know. Cricket rules. Cricket is played between two teams, each made up of 11 players. Each team get a chance for batting and fielding, bowling in a game. The fielding team will have a border bowl the ball to the batsman who tries to hit the ball with their bat. These are the rules for cricket. The next one, questioning. Question number 3. Name your friends who play daily at home. Sarala, Sarika, Bhupati, Vignesh, Pujita, Vaishnavi, Sai, Kiran, Surya are my friends who play daily at home. Number 3. Experiments and field observations. Play a local game mentioned in the textbook and write your experiences. I have played Edupinkulata, which is our local game, with my friends. I felt very happy and gained good energy by playing this game. It improved team spirit and togetherness among our friends. It is also developed life skills such as accepting failure as well as enjoying success. Roman number 4. Information skills, project work. Ask your friends about the games they like. Fill in the table with the details. Student activity. Number 5. Drawing pictures and model making. Prepare the play items with clay. Example, ball, bat, tennis tennis racket, shuttlecock, etc. and display in our classroom. Student activity. Appreciation. Question number 7. Your friend won a prize at the school level games on 15th August. He showed it to you. How do you feel? I felt very happy when my friend showed me the prize he won at the school level games on 15th August. I will encourage him to improve his skills more and to continue the success in his future. Assessment number 10. Choose the correct answer. First one. Games which can be played inside a house are called outdoor games. Option B. We use dash to play skipping. Option A. Skipping rope. Playing dash games continuously affects our eyes, causes obesity and ill health. Option B. Video games. Fill in the blanks. First one. An activity we do for pleasure or to get our body relaxed is called recreation. Ball, bat and stumps are the things required to play cricket. All games have certain rules that must be followed by the players. Match the following. First one, Karrabilla. It's a local game. Kabaddi, state game. Hockey, national game. Draw and color. Draw a football and color it. Student activity. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What happens if you don't play a game with team spirit? If you don't play a game with team spirit, players can quarrel with each other. Number 2. Relation between team members may be ruined. If we play games with team spirit, we can improve health and friendship. Question number 2. How does recreation help us? Recreation helps us to be healthy and fit. It refreshes our mind and relaxes our body. It boosts up our mind and gives energy to the body. ఇది మనకి 10th యూనిట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి 9 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్స్, అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్ 10లో ఉన్నటువంటి టాపిక్ సంబంధించిన వివరణ. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుందని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే ఈ వీడియో లింక్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకొక మంచి వీడియోలో ఒక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్. హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.